Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another vlog. This is Vishesh, and you are watching me on my latest vlog. I still don't know what I'm going to call the channel, but yeah, this is Vishesh, and tonight it is it is midnight, and so somebody from Tata is going to come pick up the car on a flatbed because unfortunately while coming back home from work गाड़ी में एक strange beep होने लगा, like the car went beep 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 beep, right? And the car just went nuts. The temperature went overboard. The car started overheating, and then I had to somehow get home. तो देखा तो जो रेडिएटर का रिजर्वायर होता है, द कूलेंट रिजर्वायर, तो वो जब खोलने की कोशिश करी तो उसमें से एकदम ऑयल एंड वाटर मिक्स्ड, राइट? ऑयल एंड लिक्विड मिक्स्ड. सो आई थिंक द रेडिएटर्स चोक्ड एंड या एंड वट एवर इज गोइंग टू हैपन इज गोइंग टू हैपन. अब देखते हैं क्या होता है. आ रहे हैं टो ट्रक पे, सॉरी फ्लैट बेड पे गाड़ी को लेने. I will not go to the workshop. I will probably just coordinate with my service advisor and I will see what I can do. But I am hoping that the problem gets rectified. The car is also in warranty, hopefully. I don't know because it's already had a couple of insurance claims. So I don't know if they would entertain the car as a warranty based thing. But nonetheless, let's try our luck. And if everything goes well, we might have the car back in a few days. कंटेंट चाहिए था, कंटेंट. भगवान ने बोला ये लो कंटेंट बेटे, ले रज के कंटेंट ले बना. नुकसान ही हो गया. Oh, but another thing that happened was, so because I don't have the car and I have my bike with me and I haven't been riding it for quite some time, I did think of riding it अभी कुछ टाइम पहले, लेकिन जब बारी आई चलाने की तो हेलमेट उठाया और देखा तो चूहे ने पूरा का पूरा कुतर रखा था. इट वॉज डन फ्रॉम द इनसाइड. So I don't have a helmet. So I asked my friend Ishan, my long-time friend Ishan, you might have seen him in the other video. So I asked him if he can help me with a helmet. He said he could, and then we met. He gave me a helmet. This is the helmet, if you can see. Yup, Royal Enfield वाले KTM के सर पे बैठे आज की डेट पे. Sure, कोई ना, everybody has his day. So yeah, I have the helmet now. We went on a little ride together, spoke a little about our work, our life, and all of that. Meeting Ishan is always a good thing, and turns out that he's interested in getting the bike also. So yeah, couple of things have happened, and I just hope the car makes it safe. The flatbed guy said that he's just about 5 minutes away, 5-10 minutes away. So as soon as he's here, I will go down and get it going. All right, so the flatbed is here. भैया आ जाओ, कार is here. ये लेके जाएंगे flatbed पे. छिपकलियों से बड़ा डर लगता है. सो द प्रॉब्लम इज़, ये देखो अभी ये 0 पे है ना, ये पूरा एच तक चले जाता है और यहाँ पे एक बीप आने लग जाता है. क्या ही हो रहा है यार. रात के 12 बजे इतना एक तो शोर मच रहा है. माय नेबर्स आर गोना किल मी फॉर दिस. Car is parked here. Thank you, bye. पता नहीं कितने दिन बाद दिखेगी, अब जब भी दिखेगी आई होप नहीं बन के दिखेगी। What? Don't know what to do in front of the camera. So that was it. Car gone, energy gone, day also gone.
बाइक पे
रॉयल एनफील्ड का हेलमेट,
क्या ट्रेन
मैंने भी यही बोला।
ये कब जाएगी? ये कब जाएगी?
जब गाड़ी आ जाए। चलो वील सी बाय बाय।